Hello friends, today we'll see about the categories in Objective-C. I will show you that how we can use categories in Objective-C project with the example. Why categories? Categories provide the ability to add functionality to an object without subclassing or changing the actual object. For example, suppose you have one class, person class, and you don't want to change in your object of person, you don't want to create subclassing for person class, you can simply create the categories for person and you can add the methods in that categories. A handy
It's 9
tool,
o'clock.
they are often used to add methods to an existing classes such as NS string or your own custom objects. You can create the methods for existing classes, for example NS string, NS array, NS dictionary, or your own custom objects that I described previously. For example, we have person class and we want to add new methods, so we can use categories. Example. Here is one simple example that I have created. I have person class here and I have two properties, first name and last name in person. Now I want to get the full name of that person. So I can create here subclassing and I can create here methods to get the full name, but I don't want to change in person class and I don't want to create any subclassing for person. Simply I can create here categories for the person class. Go to new file, Objective-C file, next, file name will be the category name, details, class name will be the class name whom you want to extend, file type will be categories and create next, create. Now you can see here two files, one is interface file and another is implementation file. Here you can see person is the class that you extend and details is the name of our extension. We can simply here, we can simply create here one method person full name. I've defined the person full name method. I will go to implementation section. I will implement this function and as a string full name and as a string with format self dot first name self dot last name and will simply return the full name string. So you will think that I called here first name and last name. Why I use this? Because I use the categories and my category is extended to class person, because my details category extended to class person, I can use the global variable of the person class in my categories. So now I will use this category method in view controller. I have already here object of person. I have assigned the value for first name is usual and last name is sing. Now I want to get the full name, so simply I will import here person category, person details category. Now ns log full name, because my categories extend to person class, so I can use the object person, and my method name is person full name. So I will run it. Yes, now you can see in console area the full name is Ujjwal Singh. So conclusion is, subclassing is a way to add functionality to an object, but avoiding unnecessary subclassing by using a category will help reduce the amount of code and keep your project more organized. Finally, I want to say you thank you.